Good day everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to uninstall any stubborn software which is you're unable to delete, unable to uninstall, you're getting no options. Whenever you're trying, you're getting traces. So if you want to uninstall any software completely from your computer, this tutorial is for you and it will be very quick. So here we need to download a software called Revo Uninstaller. So you need to open your browser and in Google type Revo space uninstaller. And please make sure you only visit revouninstaller.com and open it like this. From here, you can go to the download section. You can use the free version of Revo Uninstaller. You can buy it, it's your wish. And once you download, a very small file will be downloaded. And here you can see it was like 11 MB. And you just need to run this setup and it should look like this. Once you can see Revo Uninstaller 2.6.0. Now, once you open this, it will scan the whole computer and it will let you know how many apps are there. And just beside uninstaller, we have this Windows apps, like pre-installed apps. It will load the list of it. So by any chance, if you want to remove any Windows apps, you can do it from here as well. Right. Now this also comes, whatever we install it, Microsoft Store, you can uninstall it from here. So we'll go to the uninstaller and let's say if I want to uninstall, let me just like VLC Media Player, like just an example. I'll do a right click and I'll click on uninstall. I'll tell you the best part of it. Now, the moment I'll click on uninstall, it will give me an option to make a system restore point before uninstall. So let's say if anything goes bad, you can restore your computer to the same time and it will not make any changes. So it is absolutely a very good thing to create a system restore point, which it will does in free version. And we can simply click on continue. It says creating a system restore point. Once you do that, you might get the uninstaller of the computer of the same software, and you can simply uninstall like this, delete preferences, cache, whatever it says. And once it is uninstalled, we will click on finish, and here we will go to the scanning modes. So we will click on scan and it will start scanning whatever is related to that software. So here we need to select all, so it will only delete anything related to that particular software, which is VLC. And we just need to, it has found 3 values and we will click on finish and click on OK. So now we have completely removed the software, and any stubborn software can be uninstalled from this. You can you can refresh and it will refresh the list of applications in your computer. So it is a great tool, I must say that. You can try that and do let me know in the comment section whether you have used it before or not. And I'll be glad if you leave the comment, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you think this tutorial is helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.